In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur faces in Canva. Blurring faces is really useful if you want to protect someone's privacy, hide personal details, or simply draw attention away from a person and towards something else in your design. Canva makes this pretty straightforward, and I'll walk you through it step by step so you can follow along on your own screen. First, go ahead and open your design in Canva, or start a new one by choosing the size or template you want to work with. Make sure the photo that contains the face you want to blur is already on your canvas. You can upload a new image or use one from your existing uploads or from Canva's own photo library. Once your image is in place on the canvas, click on it to make sure it's selected. This is important because the tools we're about to use will apply to whatever is currently selected in your design. Now look over at the left-hand side of your Canva screen. You'll see a menu with options like templates, elements, uploads, and so on. Click on the one labeled Elements. This is where Canva keeps all kinds of graphics, shapes, stickers, and special effects that you can add on top of your design. With the Elements panel open, go to the search bar at the top of that panel. Click inside the search bar and type the word blur, then press enter. Canva will now show you a selection of blur-related elements and effects that you can use. You'll see different blur shapes and graphics, often soft circles or gradients that fade out at the edges. Choose one that looks like it will cover the face naturally without looking too harsh or distracting. Click on the blur element you like, and it will automatically appear on your canvas. From here, it's just a matter of positioning and adjusting. Drag the blur element over the face you want to hide. Use the corner handles to resize it so it fully covers the area, and rotate it if necessary so it matches the angle of the face. Take your time to line it up carefully so that the face is fully obscured, but the rest of the image still looks clean. Once you're happy with how it looks, you're done. You've successfully blurred a face in Canva using a blur element, and you can now continue editing or export your design as usual.